Welcome back, friends. Today I'm sharing a simple bedroom reset and laundry catch up.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow.
I always start by making the bed. It's one of those simple things that instantly makes the room feel more put together, even when there's still
There's
so
a
much
new
left to do.
day to wash away the
This isn't a
pain.
deep clean day or a big makeover. I simply want to catch up on a few things and bring a little order back to the room.
There's a new day to take away your sorrow and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave.
Laundry is one of those chores that never really stays finished for very long, but I do enjoy the feeling of getting everything folded and put away.
Behind your troubles, there's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
These quiet little homemaking routines may seem ordinary, but they're the things that help a home feel cared for. Now, just a few more pieces left to put on hangers and then put away. After a quick vacuum, the room feels much more fresher and more peaceful. Well, friends, that's going to wrap up today's bedroom reset. There wasn't anything fancy or complicated about today's homemaking, just a few simple tasks that help this room feel a little calmer and more welcoming. I hope this video brought you a bit of motivation, encouragement, or maybe just a peaceful moment in your day. If you enjoy cozy homemaking, slow living, and creating a home that's lived in and loved, I'd be honored to have you join our Silver Linings community by subscribing. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, always look for the silver linings. Take care and stay blessed.